Now we're going to one of our customers who had James Hardie Siding put on their house. This actually came through our alliance with James Hardie. We are an elite preferred, one of the top 5 guys in the state. We'll do between 75 and 100 siding jobs in a year, have them certified in the program. We're in a neighborhood on the northeast side of Indianapolis. This is our 5th house we've done in this neighborhood, replacing cedar, vinyl, with James Hardie pre-finished fiber cement. Great experience one of our other customers had and referred us here to this house. You can choose basically 3 products out there. A wood-based siding, either natural wood or a composite, fiber cement, which is a product superior for this market, and vinyl. The reason why people typically go with fiber cement is it's very low maintenance, and it allows you to do a couple things very similar to wood, which is have an exposure that's similar to wood product, being able to paint it any color you want, or as in this case, choosing a pre-finished product. With the pre-finished product, you get a finish warranty, so what goes up stays that color and doesn't require any maintenance for the first 15 years. So one of the other features behind James Hardie is it's insect, fire resistant, hail resistant, and really one of the biggest things from around here is woodpecker resistant. If you're looking for quality siding replacement, please contact JD Hostetter and Associates.